Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the point finger you are seeing is where 4x4 lace closure stop. That is where my 4x4 lace closure stop. That is the pin I use in holding it down. So I want to do a very close-up video for you guys to see how to pick your hair. I'm faster than this. Is because I'm making a video. That is why you can see me picking the hair like this, for you guys to be able to grab what I'm trying to show you guys. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. I hope this video is helpful. I didn't forward it. That is why I drop a normal short ventilating. What I want to show you guys is how you can easily make your lace closure, your synthetic lace closure, to look like a woman hair. You can use it for braiding, how to prepare it, no hot water, nothing. Very easy. Under 2 minutes you achieve a very sleek and nice lace closure after finish ventilating with a synthetic hair, with a braiding hair. So kindly please keep on watching so that you can see how you can achieve that under 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you so much for the love and support, and please don't forget to give this video a huge like. I really appreciate that, and share with your lovers. So this is what the lace closure look like when we finish ventilating. So this is what it looks like. I'm just showing you guys how it looks like immediately we finish ventilating. You can easily part this to any pattern you like. Yes, you already seen the very close up look when I was ventilating natural roots. So the only thing you need is a hand dryer. Do not use any hair product on it. Do not use any hair product on it. You need only your hand dryer and your hand brush. I say your hair brush. I say hand brush. Sorry for that. You can see that the look is already changing. It's already looking sleek. Can you see the look is already different? No need of hot water, no need of straightener, just only your hand dryer. I hope you learn one or two things from this video, and please support by clicking on the like button. I really appreciate that. So this is after I finish using my hand dryer on it. Can you see? And you have to put your hand dryer to low, I say sorry, medium heat. Yes, medium heat. Don't make it too high, don't make it too low. So guys, I'm going to show you how the root looks so natural. So thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much all the support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Watch out for more amazing content. See you in my next video. As I do say, stay blessed always. Bye.